this video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your cryptocurrency from OKX app straight to your bank account. And before I do so, these strategies, I make videos about cryptocurrency and I can make money from it. If you're interested in this kind of topic, please do it to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. So guys, in this video, I'll show you guys how you can withdraw your money or your cryptocurrency from your OKX app straight to your Nigeria bank account. So before we go, as we begin, let me show you. If you click on this page right now, you can see the money I have on my account on my OKX, $35 approximately $5. If you click on this space asset first, click this asset. On this asset, you're going to see all the money you have on your account, either in trading, funding, wherever the money is. First, before you can do this method I'm going to show you, you need to transfer your money from trading to funding. I believe you can do that. If you can't do that, it's very simple. Hit on your trading, on your trading, just simply tap on the transfer. You get tap on the transfer. From there, you can then transfer the USDT you have on your trading to your fund. You can see it's from trading to fund. Once I've done that, I hit on the confirm. All the money will be transferred down to your funding. Let me go it on the back. As you can see right here, my money right now is on the funding. So once your money is now in the funding, all you need to do is to head over, click on this OKX home button, hit on this P2P trading. So now we will transfer some of my USDT from this particular OKX app down to my bank account using P2P. This is the best method that is currently available for you to use. So on the P2P session right now, what we'll be doing is for us to click on the sell button. You have to hit on the sell button. Meanwhile, if this is your first time of using P2P on OKX, you'll be required to add a payment method. Add a payment method is very easy. It's just for you to type in your bank account name, and ensure the details you put in is the same. Like the account number and details you put in will be the same with one using registering your OKX app. So on the sell button right here, on this page that said amount, just tap on it. Let me say I have 22 USDT. Let me just say half of it, 10 USDT. Then I need to hit on the enter. It's going to search, and those people that want to sell minimum of 10 USDT, as you can see right here, this one is going to be the people with the higher price will be at the top, while people with the lower price will be at the bottom. You can see it has reloaded change of prices, and this guy need to sell at 1,239 USDT. 239 naira for 1 USDT. So I'll just have to hit on the sell. Once I do so, the price is quite changing very fast. What is happening? So let me refresh again. So I've hit on the sell. So I'll just tap on the amount I want to sell right here, which is 10 USDT, and I'll be getting 12,000 naira. So just have to hit on my payment method. I've already set my payment method. For you, a pump up is going to show where you have to input in your account number and your details, all of this stuff. So I just have to hit on sell USDT with zero fees. As you can see, both of these prompts where it kind of summarize what I want, what I'm doing, and like sell confirmation. I need to sell 1 USDT for 1,239. I'm selling 10 USDT. I'll be getting 12,390, and this is my payment method. I just have to hit on the sell. So once I do so, they're going to notify the buyer that somebody wants to sell USDT. So all you need to do is to wait. All you need to do is to wait. It's for you to wait for the person to send the money. So you need to wait for the person to send the money. Once the person has sent the money to my account, all you have to do is to go to your account, confirm that the person has really sent the money to your account. You cannot come to this place, and you now see this place called release crypto. This crypto will not be active. When people send the money, this place called release crypto will not be active. Also, to hit on the release, just tap on it, then put your normal verification. Once you've done that, you successfully transfer money from your OKX app to your bank account. So right now, I'll be waiting for this particular person to complete the order to send the money before I hit on release crypto. Meanwhile, let me just pause the video and wait. When the person is going to send the money depends on the person. Though it varies from like 2 to 5 minutes. Understand? So let me see if I can pause the video and wait. Let the person send the money before I continue. Okay, I just received a notification that the person has sent the money. So, as you can see right here, transfer of 126. Just like as you can see right here, my account is credited with 12,390 from the person you get. So, can I come to this place and say order? You get order, pin the order. Then this way you're going to see the transaction. So you just have to tap on it. You get. So as you can see right here, this place you can see right now the release script, and the person has also sent me a message already. You get. So I just have to tap on the release script too. And when I do so, I just have to verify, then hit on the release script too. And do the necessary verification, which is to verify that I'm the person, like put in my passcode. Understand? But right now, network is kind of uh, network is fluctuating, but basically this is how you can do it. So guys, this will be it for this video. If you find it helpful, do it to like, subscribe for more of this kind of content. So guys, peace out.